The 35th name is Laksharoma Latadhara Thasamunyeya Madhyama. She who is suspected to have a waist because of the creeper-like hairs arising from there. This name, filled with poetic imagery, playfully suggests that the goddess's waist is so slender that you cannot really see it. You can only infer its presence because of the fine hairs that rise from it. This name evokes a sense of elegance, beauty, and the delicate balance of the goddess's form. You may think it's just a poetic way of saying that the goddess has a slim waist, but there's a deeper meaning here, a connection to the very nature of reality. The navel is often seen as the origin of creation, the center point from which the universe unfolds. As the Vedas proclaim in the Purusha Suktam, Nabhya Asid Antariksham, from the navel of the cosmic being, space emerged. The creeper-like hairs arising from the navel represents the entire manifest universe, the objects that emerged from space like the stars and the galaxies. Now the waist on which the navel rests and which surrounds the navel represents something beyond space, something that's even more subtle and elusive. It's the unseen principle upon which the entire universe rests, the foundation from which both space and the manifest world emerge. Just as we can only infer the presence of the waist by observing the fine hairs that emerge from the navel, we can only infer the presence of this unseen principle by observing the manifest universe, all the stars and the galaxies and the space that contains them. It's the invisible foundation upon which all of creation rests. This name invites us to contemplate the deeper layers of reality, to go beyond the visible and explore the subtle underlying principles that govern the universe. It reminds us that there is more to existence than meets the eye, and the true knowledge lies in understanding the unseen forces that shape our world.